Hello viewers, last week I told you that Fly OBE 1.10 was released, which was a big update. I will leave the video link if you want more details. As you many know, Fly OBE helps bypass Windows 11 system requirements. Now I just want to let you know the app has received another update. The app gets frequently updates that make it better at cleaning Windows 11 stock disk image, also known as ISO file. Version 1.11 rolled out late last week in my region. Plus, the developer mentioned a new OBE assist style, which is basically a setup screen that show up Microsoft out-of-box experience. It allows you to set a default browser, check AI-powered features, remove pre-installed apps, and more. Another change is that the tool spot.exe helper has been moved. Instead, the extension button in the top right corner replaced the old spot button, since extension can now handle everything Spot used to do. The next improvement is the extension input dialog, also called install from URL. It now includes a browser extension, like making it easier to get scripts that don't come with the program. Script execution and embedded and console mode has also been improved. Several OBE page and context menu entire include those for extension script have been updated. There are two new default extensions: Microsoft Defender Maintenance Update Signature Repair shows status. The developer says this is helpful to make sure you have the latest definition right after a fresh Windows 11 install, which I think is good addition. Post-install essentials, a quicker launcher for Windows tools. They also reworked the update checker, so there is quite a lot of happening again with this update. Fly OBE update are coming fast, and I am keeping you updated because this has become a very popular bypass app. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.